Yo my guys, this is my second video about ClickBank. So if you didn't watch my first video, definitely watch it because I am new to ClickBank. So I didn't make any money on ClickBank. You can check that story on my first video. So in this ClickBank video series, I am trying to make money from ClickBank using Instagram posting. So this is second video. So in this video I am going to find my niche. So actually I already find my niche. By the way, I will show you how to find yours. Okay, so first of all, go to Instagram and search here your niche. As example, in this scenario I am get my niche as spirituality. So I search spirituality. When I search it, I will see the hashtags. So I after that I go to those hashtags. So I already did it. By the way, I will show how to do it. So in this video series I am going to show step by step how I built Instagram profile, and how I add my links, or how to get sale to ClickBank, how to get ClickBank sales, like that. But I never tried it before, and I am not pro in ClickBank. I didn't make any any sense in ClickBank. By the way, I will show step by step. If I may wrong, I may right, but I will show you how I do it. So, as and I try to do it in easy way and lowest amount of dollars. So I don't spend lot of dollars in this because I didn't make much money. So by the way, after you get this kind of hashtag, click on top post. After that, click on that account. When you go to that account will have this kind of link. So we need to find link which related to ClickBank, or we need to find ClickBank promotional link. So this is look like website link. Let's go to that link. So let me see. Yeah, it's not a ClickBank link. It's his website. So he or she promote his website on this Instagram page. So forget it. So I already found best spirituality Instagram profile, and they link to ClickBank. They promote ClickBank on ClickBank product on their profile. So if I go here, I will see this kind of button. So if I click on here, I will redirect to ClickBank product. So same here, I go to this link. When I go to this link, so wait, so this is there has logo called ClickBank. That means this is ClickBank product. So if I go here, this is another ClickBank product, because if I scroll down, there's ClickBank. So this is ClickBank, and there's ClickBank reseller product. So this is ClickBank, and if I go here, loading, this is another ClickBank product. So if I go here, so this is another website. So it is ClickBank product too. They promote lot of ClickBank product, and also they promote their YouTube channel. So this is like gold mine. I don't know though, this must be work, because they definitely make some money, because they link their everything and they know this work, but I don't know. By the way, this is another one. If I go here, it's loading. My internet connection a little bit slow. So if I go here, I click on this one, and Nice. I think, yeah, it's redirect to ClickBank Product. Yeah, that is ClickBank Product. So spirituality niche is a really great niche to promote ClickBank Product. So get best I get information of their ClickBank product in, yeah, ClickBank Product information. So I hope you get the idea. So now I am going to build my Instagram profile. So I will show step by step what I do and how I add my link and cool this stuff like that. So if you didn't watch my first video, definitely watch it, because you will see this step which I'm taking, where I mean you will find how I know about ClickBank and how I find these methods or something like that. So definitely watch it, and I will see you in next video. Bye bye.